Hi, I'm Thom, and I've been doing vacuum packers for about 40 years. I've been trying to convince people to buy in bulk, repackage in a vacuum packer. I've been doing this for so long now, and we've had a reawakening or a new resurgence in um, buying bulk foods. Quite simply, going to the grocery store isn't as much fun as it used to be. It's really expensive. So one of the better ways that you can pare down your budget is to buy in bulk. And I'd like to introduce you to a little store called Azure Standard. They have a warehouse down by Hood River in a little town called Duffer. So their overhead is really low and they can give you exceptional pricing on bulk foods. And they specialize in organic, high-end bulk foods. And you can buy these little packages like we do just because there's only the two of us, so we don't need to go hog wild on 25 pounds and 50-pound bags of stuff. But they do have bigger packages of stuff, so you can get some big packages from Azure Standard and 50-pound bags and whatever. One of the really cool things they have is spices, and you can get bulk spices out of the Azure Standard, and we repackage these things in our vacuum packer. So all of this stuff is going to go through the machine and get redone. It's going to keep a lot longer. It's going to stay fresher for a lot longer. It will keep longer than it lasts. That's a good idea. So we'll put a link in the description down below for Azure Standard, and we'll put my link, of course. If you have a vacuum packer that's not working real well, and especially if you bought it from me, if I sold it, I can fix it. So, and I do repair a wide variety of different machines, so it's worth giving me a call. We'll put my 800 number down in the link down below, and we'll see you next time. We're going to be doing a few more of these videos because it seems to have, I'm actually becoming popular again because we actually have more people interested in buying bulk and packaging food. Thank you for watching my little video, and we'll be doing more of these as time goes on.